Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr.Ranjan has stated that for a clean and better prospective future, knowing our history is a must, and the state authority has taken up steps to include our history in the academic syllabus, and also added that more steps are also in the pipeline. The statement has been made today during prize distribution ceremony of meritorious students of Free Progress Academy, Konthosam, who appeared in this year's SSLC examination 2023. The prize distribution ceremony was held at Konthosam, Kangjebung. Speaking as chief guest during the ceremony, Health Minister Dr.Ranjan further expressed that education and learning requires continuous effort and hard work, and no gaps must be left unfilled in the field of education. He also appealed to all teachers for preparing the students well who are going to appear in the next year's SSLC examination. He also expressed that due to the ongoing crisis in the state, many students have been displaced and are taking shelter in different relief camps. He expressed his happiness in learning that 23 such displaced students are also studying in the Free Progress Academy, Konthosam. He also pledged to take up all necessary steps for the betterment of the school and the students.
Nipan Super means meritorious award distributory sustained enough. Sakas in Togan the Betamakta. When you see passing out students, Siziki, Pugning Togalaga, Lehori Basato Sakas in Ziki Moidaso. Hen upon another Wakalonda, Siki Prize. Award some of the community and the Paganing was the visioners who got letter mark Pamba Satra Satri the award sing. So he could think say Amzale, say Amzale, Free Progress Academy, every function, every award distribution ceremonies every putting it percentage one, passing percentage,